What if skipping breakfast could recycle your cells like a factory reset? I know it sounds like science fiction, but this is happening inside your body every single day. Here's how fasting triggers a process called autophagy, not just for fat loss, but for a total energy reboot. And this isn't just some trend. We're talking about a process backed by a wave of recent studies with over 25 papers published on it in the last year alone. This is the ultimate cellular detox. So let's break it down. What is autophagy? The word literally means self-eating. Now don't freak out, this is a good thing. Think of it like your body's internal housekeeping or recycling program. Throughout the day, our cells accumulate junk, damaged proteins, old malfunctioning parts, and other cellular debris. This junk slows everything down, contributes to inflammation, and can even accelerate aging. When you fast, you give your digestive system a break and your body flips a switch. It goes from storage mode to cleanup mode. The science behind this is fascinating. When you fast, your insulin levels drop and another hormone, glucagon, rises. This activates a crucial energy sensor in your cells called AMPK. Think of AMPK as the supervisor of your cellular factory. When it gets activated, it signals the start of autophagy. The cell forms a little double-membrane bubble called an autophagosome that goes around and engulfs all the junk. It then transports this junk to the cell's recycling plant, the lysosome, where it's broken down into basic building blocks. And what does your body do with these recycled parts? It uses them for energy or to build new, healthy cellular components. It's the ultimate sustainable model. This process is a powerhouse for your health. First, by clearing out damaged parts, it directly reduces inflammation, which is a root cause of so many chronic diseases. Second, it's a major key to supporting a metabolic reset. Autophagy helps improve your insulin sensitivity, meaning your body gets much better at managing blood sugar. This is a game changer for preventing conditions like type 2 diabetes. And yes, it's fantastic for weight loss. When your body is in this fasting-induced fat-burning state, it's not just using stored fat for fuel, it's also cleaning house at the same time. This means you're not just losing weight, you're becoming more metabolically flexible and efficient from the inside out. Now let's debunk a huge myth I hear all the time. 16 hours isn't enough to trigger autophagy. That's simply not true. While deeper, more prolonged fast can induce a more robust autophagic response, the process isn't an on-off switch. It's a gradient. For most people, the magic starts to happen somewhere between the 14 and 18-hour mark. A standard 16.8 intermittent fasting schedule, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, is an absolutely fantastic and sustainable way to tap into these benefits daily. You don't need to do a 3-day water fast to get the rewards. Consistency is far more powerful than intensity here. So how do you actually do this? Let's talk about a simple 7-day challenge. Don't overthink it. For 1 week, just try the 16-8 method. Pick an 8-hour window that works for you. Maybe it's from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. That means you finish dinner at 8 p.m. and you don't eat again until noon the next day. Yes, that means skipping breakfast. During your fasting window, you can have water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. That's it. No cream, no sugar, no bulletproof coffee if you want to maximize autophagy. During your eating window, focus on whole foods. Don't use it as an excuse to eat junk. Fuel your body with protein, healthy fats, and lots of vegetables. After just a few days, you'll likely notice you have more stable energy. No more 3 p.m. slump. You might feel less bloated and mentally sharper. By the end of the week, you'll have proven to yourself that you can do it, and your body will already be thanking you for the cleanup. Remember, autophagy is your body's built-in system for renewal and repair. Intermittent fasting is simply one of the most effective tools we have to activate it. It's not about starvation. It's about strategic eating to unlock your body's incredible natural ability to heal itself. So are you ready to give your cells that factory reset?